Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. I am Emanje Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to add base maps like OpenStreetMap, Google Satellite, Google Hybrid, etc. to QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I have the URL for all these base map and it's also provided in the description box of this video. So open QGIS. I've launched my QGIS. Then you come under browser. If your browser is not showing the browser panel, come here, right click and you see browser panel, then check it. Once you check it, it will be displaying here. Then to add base map connections to QGIS, come to this XYZ ties. Click on the drop down. This is where you add the base map. So to do that, right click the XYZ ties and you see new connection. So click on the new connection. So the first one you want to add, you give it a name. For example, let's say OpenStreetMap. For example, OpenStreetMap. So that's the name you want to give to it. Then here you paste the URL. So let's go back to the URL for the OpenStreetMap. This is the URL. Right click and copy the address. Then come here, right click and paste. Once you paste, then leave other things at default and click OK. So you can see it has been added. So if you now drag and drop, you can see that OpenStreetMap has been added to QGIS. So you can now be using it as base map. Then for example, if you want to add another base map, right click the XYZ ties, click on new connection. So this time around, let's give it a name. Let's say Google Satellite. Google Satellite, for example. Then go and copy the URL for Google Satellite. This is it. Copy. Then go back there and paste it here. Paste and click on OK. So you can see Google Satellite has been added to our XYZ ties. So if you want to add it, drag it and drop. You can see this is Google Satellite. And if you want to add the next one, let's say Google Hybrid, then right click again, new connection. So this one you name it Google Hybrid. So copy the address. This is the address for Google Satellite Hybrid. Then copy. Then come here and paste. Click on OK. So you can see Google Hybrid has been added. So if you drag now and drop, it's loading. So it has been added. You can see Google Satellites, Google Hybrid has been added as well. Now if you look at the tree, this is Google Hybrid and you can see the names of notable locations is included in Google Hybrid. Let me uncheck this. This is Google Satellites. The Google Satellite is there but the name is not showing. Then this is OpenStreetMap. OpenStreetMap is also labeled. Some notable locations are also labeled. So in essence, this is how to add base maps like OpenStreetMap, Google Satellite to QGIS. Thank you for watching.